I'm going to make my poinsettia soap today, so I have made all the poinsettias, and this is starting to thicken, which I want it to, so let me just get it poured. But I had green and red shavings, so I put those inside the green. I think they're basically the same color, but I think it'll give it kind of a speckled look. And this is really thick. I might have stick blended it just a tad too much. I'm doing a layered design, so I wanted it to get thicker because I want to pour a layer on top. And I want them to be straight, so. But I might have overdone it just a tad. It's okay. But yeah, so I have green shavings in this one, and I will put red in the, oh shoot, in the second layer. And then the poinsettias will go on top. I am making a royal mess. So anyways, that's the basic design. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some music on with it because I don't think you need me to ramble for the rest of making this video. Here is my poinsettia soap. So the speckled green shavings and red shavings, and then a gold mica line, which didn't really show up. And then of course the top, which is my favorite part. Yeah, I over stick blended the green, and so it's not a straight line, which it's okay. But you know me and my perfectionism tendencies. I really wanted it to be straight. It's scented in holiday pomegranate. It's got a kind of a nice tart smell to it, but it makes me think of the holidays, so it's pretty and it's festive. And I don't think anyone will notice that the line isn't straight or was meant to be straight unless I tell them, but I just love the top. These flowers are so much work to make, but the end result is just so pretty. So yeah, there you have it, my poinsettia soap. I don't know when this video will be scheduled, but this is, in theory, my last holiday soap. I am done now. Of course, I say that, but there'll be little things that will probably pop up or that I'll do. Because I'm never really done, but there's some things that I can now experiment and try, so I'll probably just make small, tiny batches of those. But the majority of the soaps, I should say all of the soaps that I planned are done. Isn't it pretty? Let me know what you think.